Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to unlock your car without the keys. So this happened to me because I've got a fuse inside my car. You can see it's a Fiat 500. This place, you can see this place, it doesn't have a cover, so the wheel throws in water, then this water goes in here and it messes up with electronics, so it has electrical shock and all those things. You get me? That's the issue I'm facing. Also here we must have a cover which is not there, so that's it. So whenever I drive when it's raining, so it blows up the fuse. Good. So that's it. That's the thing. What are we gonna do now? The car is locked, right? So I have the keys, but I can't open because of one reason. Let me show you. This handle is messed up. Get me? So even if I have the keys, I cannot open it. So even if I open here, this door gonna be open, but because the fuse is messed up, it can't do the central locking and unlocking, right? So this is useless for me. So now we're gonna show you a trick, very good trick. Look at this. Okay, that's it. So this has been happening to me many times. So if you're lucky and you left a space here, then you're fine, because you can only take out this, or you can just pass this. I don't want to take out this, I'm gonna pass this here, but then I want to show you something. Also, you can pass the wire here. You get a wire like this, but it should be a little bit stronger. You get a screwdriver, you get a friend. You can see what is happening here. It damages the paint, you can see. So you get a friend, you put a screwdriver here, you do like this, you get me? So then you put in your wire here. So by this time we're not going to put the wire here because we have a space here. So what I'm gonna do, the objective here is to touch that. You can see that unlocking thing inside there. So that's what we want to touch. So I put in the wire. I hope everyone can see. Let me go inside. There's some reflections. Okay. You can see. You can't see that well, but I want everyone to see. Okay, that's okay, that is something I want us to touch. You can see this here. I put this here. Okay. It's not something easy. Yes, I've done it. I just pulled that side. Let me see. You can see the car opened 100%. So that was so awesome, guys. So now, if you're lucky when the car has this kind of lock, it will be easy because I just put this inside and I did like this. So also you can put it through this up here, then you tug it until when you reach down, then you twist. You can see it has happened many times. That's why you can see this paint is being scratched. So the best thing to do, you can wrap something like a plastic on your wire so that it slides in nicely, then you put it inside to avoid messing up with your paint. Yeah, so guys, that's one of the best I can do for us. I got the wires here, so that's it, but you must get a stronger wire. The wire I got was a little bit not that strong, but I was lucky that it worked out 100% fine, right? Yeah, guys, it's a stress to lock the keys inside inside your car. But anyway, what can you do? That's the only trick we can use. Don't break your glass or window or whatever. That's something you can do. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a new fuse. I've got a spare fuse to put in, but also after few couple of weeks, it's gonna get blown up. That's all I know. I'm gonna show you. Okay, you can see this is the tool I'm going to use to take out the fuse. I bought this. After doing that, I had a computer I was supposed to came to fix. Then things didn't go well for me. When I realized after that I had an issue. Let me check if I still have my fuse. Okay. You can see I bought many fuses and put them here. You can see. Yeah, I still have one here. You can see it's this one. So I know where the chamber is. So this is the stuff I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna take out all this garbage here, inside here. I drop them down. Don't have to lose my fuse. So then I open here. Yes, so I'm gonna take out one of the fuses there. Could be the red one. Don't remember, but yeah, let me take it out. I'm gonna check it. The red one is still fine. Whatever fuse you take out, you got to take it back. I think that time it was a 15 or something. You don't have to take out many. I don't have a fuse tester. This fuse seems like to be blown. This one seems to be like blown. The one I put in now. Yeah, because it's also the same like this one, you get me? So let me put in up there. Yeah, that one is blown. Yeah, you can see it there. It's blown. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in this one up. Then okay, put it in there. Okay. Then I put the red one back also. This is Fiat 500. So you also have to check your fuse boxes. They are located in different places. Okay. See, I'm not getting it right here. At least I know my issue. I'm not like someone who doesn't know what happened. Yeah, I put in that fuse also. Let me see if the car gonna lock. If it doesn't lock, it means 2. Yes, you can see it locks. You can see it locks. So it means one of the fuses, I've replaced them. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.